Hello everyone. Welcome back to Interior Design. We often hesitate to incorporate heavy or historical decor elements into small spaces. We worry that the space will feel cramped or unbalanced. But consider this beautiful contrast. The rich texture of an 18th century oil painting meets the minimalist walls of a modern apartment. This is the essence of L'Art de Vivre, or the art of living, how we celebrate beauty without sacrificing comfort. In this episode, I'll show you how to work around limited space, so these majestic classical portraits can still look elegant and add character to your tiny apartment. Have you ever wondered why les portraits du XVIe siècle are so common in Parisian apartments, even the smallest? It's not just a trend. After the French Revolution, many collections from hotels particuliers, grand homes of the nobility, began to pass into the hands of ordinary citizens. Displaying portraits on the walls is a way for Parisians to maintain a connection with their charm of history. The focal point. How to make one large portrait the center of attention without making the room feel crowded, encumber. Many people hesitate to put a large painting in a studio apartment. However, one piece de resistance, main work, is far better than many small pieces that make the room feel cluttered or encumber. Place your 18th century portrait on the wall that is most visible upon entering. This gives it instant character, as if the room has been there for centuries. vertical gallery wall, a technique of hanging several small portraits vertically to give the impression of a higher ceiling. If your apartment ceiling is low, use the disposition verticale technique. Hang 2 or 3 small portraits in a row upwards. This will guide the eye up toward the ceiling, creating the illusion of a taller and more architecturally grand space. Lighting. The importance of proper lighting to accentuate the dramatic gold tones in classic frames. Don't use overly bright ceiling lights. A soft light from a wall lamp or small art light above the frame is key. This light will highlight the texture of the oil paint and make the gold tones in your classic frames sing in the darkness of the Parisian night. Case studies and transformations. The Petit Salon transformation, balancing scale and shadows. Let's look at this angle. In small Parisian apartments, we often fall into the trap of thinking that small furniture is the only answer. Contrary to popular belief, a large Louis XV portrait placed above a small sofa creates an illusion of grandeur. The intricately carved gilt frame, or le cadre door, serves as a window to the past, giving depth to an otherwise flat wall. mixing eras between the 18th century and modern use. The key to Parisian chic style is not to let the space look like a stuffy museum. We want to create a dialogue between the 18th century and the present. For example, try hanging this aristocratic portrait above a modern desk or minimalist bookshelf. The contrast between the clean lines of modern furniture and the dramatic brushstrokes of the past is the secret to a home with soul. Historical detail. Collectors in Paris often combine portraits of their ancestors with the latest technology. It's a form of homage to history, without sacrificing the comforts of 21st century life. We're not just decorating a room, we're preserving a memory. Arranging an 18th century portrait in a modern space isn't just about decoration, it's about honoring time. Behind every gaze in the painting is a story of old Paris, which now coexists with our modern routines. Don't be afraid to bring history into your home, no matter how small the space you have. Remember, our homes are a reflection of our soul's journey, and in Paris, an apartment without a touch of history feels like a jardin sans fleurs, a garden without flowers that has lost its fragrance. So, start hunting at the Marché aux Puces flea market and find a historical resident for your walls. Do you have a favorite antique at home? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you, and see you on your next design adventure at Einterior Design. À bientôt.